Hi friends, I'm Jay. Yay, it's Christmas time. Let's have fun together. Come shopping with us. Wow, look at all the shiny decorations. There are lights, stars, and colorful ornaments everywhere. My sister is picking her favorite one. Yay! Mom and Dad are choosing things for baking cookies. I can't wait to help them at home. This is going to be so much fun. Now we're wrapping our Christmas gifts. There's so much colorful paper and pretty ribbons. My sister is helping me wrap a special present. I hope they love it. I need a little more tape. Thank you. Christmas surprises are the best. Now we're decorating the house. The Christmas tree looks so big and shiny. I'm hanging my favorite ornament right here. The lights are twinkling everywhere. Our house is starting to feel like Christmas. Now we're baking Christmas cookies.
They smell so good already.
Mom is mixing the dough and my dad is making fun shapes. I can't wait for them to be ready. Christmas cookies are my favorite. Good morning. It's Christmas Day. Now we're all dressed up and ready for church. I like wearing my Christmas clothes. Everyone is very quiet and calm.
We sit together.
And listen quietly.
Christmas feels peaceful.
Now we're visiting Grandma and Grandpa. They look so happy to see us. I love getting big hugs.
Grandma and Grandpa always make me feel warm.
Especially at Christmas.
Now it's time to sing a Christmas song. I love singing with my family.
Christmas time is here today. We laugh and smile and sing and play. With my family close to me, Christmas is the best to be. Lights are glowing, hearts are bright, cookies warm and hugs feel right. Merry Christmas, friends, hooray! Let's have fun the Christmas way.
Christmas time is here today. We laugh and smile and sing and play. With my family close to me, Christmas is the best to be.
Lights are glowing, hearts are bright, cookies warm and hugs feel right. Merry Christmas, friends, hooray! Let's have fun the Christmas way. Christmas time is here today. We laugh and smile and sing and play. With my family close to me, Christmas is the best to be. Christmas is the best to be.
Time to open presents. I feel so excited. I love my presents. Christmas makes me feel so happy. Now it's time for Christmas dinner. We all sit together and eat. Everything looks so yummy. Thanks for spending Christmas with me. I hope you had fun. Merry Christmas, friends. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more fun learning videos.